Struggling with restless nights, lying awake staring at the ceiling, or waking up multiple times and feeling exhausted in the morning? Good news! The right foods can calm your nervous system, boost natural sleep hormones, and help you drift off peacefully. In today's video, we're revealing the top 3 superfoods that help older adults fall asleep faster, stay asleep longer, and wake up refreshed with more energy. So stick around because you don't want to miss these life-changing nutrition tips. Before we get started, I'd love to know where you're joining me from today. Drop a comment below and feel free to ask any questions you have. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a health-boosting tip from Health 24/7. 1. Almonds, a natural source of melatonin and magnesium. Among the many foods that support better sleep, almonds deserve first place. These small but mighty nuts contain essential nutrients that directly influence sleep regulation. How do almonds help older adults sleep better? Natural melatonin source. Melatonin is the sleep hormone your brain releases in the evening to signal bedtime. Almonds naturally contain melatonin, helping your body align with its circadian rhythm. Rich in magnesium. A single ounce, about 23 almonds, provides 77 milligrams of magnesium. Magnesium relaxes muscles, calms the nervous system, and prevents nighttime awakenings. Seniors are often deficient in magnesium, making them more prone to restless sleep. Protein and healthy fats. These stabilize blood sugar during the night, preventing the 2 a.m. wake-ups caused by glucose dips. Why is magnesium so important for sleep in seniors? As we age, our bodies become less efficient at absorbing magnesium. Low magnesium levels are strongly linked to insomnia, restless legs, and even sleep apnea. By including almonds in your evening diet, you supply your muscles and nervous system with the minerals needed to fully relax. How should seniors eat almonds for better sleep? Eat a small handful, about 1 ounce, as an evening snack. Pair them with a piece of fruit, like banana or apple, for balanced blood sugar. Avoid salted or heavily processed almonds since excess sodium may worsen nighttime urination and disrupt sleep. Can eating almonds before bed improve insomnia? Yes, a 2019 study found that older adults who consumed magnesium-rich foods like almonds fell asleep faster and experienced fewer nighttime awakenings. If you struggle with insomnia, a handful of almonds before bed is a simple, natural remedy worth trying. 2. Kiwi, a vitamin C powerhouse that enhances sleep quality. When you think of kiwi fruit, you probably imagine its refreshing taste, but kiwi is also one of the most effective natural sleep enhancers for older adults. How does kiwi improve sleep? Boosts serotonin. Kiwi increases serotonin, a brain chemical that helps regulate the sleep-wake cycle. Low serotonin levels are a leading cause of insomnia. Packed with antioxidants. Oxidative stress and inflammation are linked to poor sleep quality. The vitamin C and antioxidants in kiwi help reduce these factors. Supports melatonin production. Kiwi consumption has been shown to increase melatonin levels, especially when eaten an hour before bedtime. What does science say about kiwi and insomnia for older adults? A clinical trial published in the Asia-Pacific Journal of Clinical Nutrition reported that adults who ate 2 kiwis 1 hour before bedtime fell asleep 35% faster, slept 13% longer, and had 42% better sleep quality compared to those who didn't. That's a powerful result from a simple fruit. How should seniors eat kiwi for best results? Eat 1 to 2 kiwis about an hour before bedtime. Pair with a small serving of Greek yogurt or cottage cheese to combine natural carbs with protein. Avoid kiwi if you have a known allergy or sensitive stomach. Can kiwi help with nighttime awakenings in seniors? Yes, many older adults wake up multiple times at night. Kiwi helps by stabilizing serotonin and melatonin, reducing the frequency of awakenings, and helping you return to sleep more easily. 3. Chamomile tea, the herbal sleep tonic. Sometimes the solution to sleep problems is not a solid food, but a soothing beverage. Chamomile tea has been used for centuries as a natural sleep aid, and modern science confirms its effectiveness. Why is chamomile tea effective for insomnia? Apigenin, a calming compound. Chamomile contains apigenin, an antioxidant that binds to certain receptors in the brain, reducing anxiety and promoting drowsiness. Mild sedative effects. Unlike prescription sleep medications, chamomile works gently, without dependency or morning grogginess. Supports digestion and relaxation. Many seniors struggle with nighttime indigestion, which worsens insomnia. Chamomile soothes the stomach and prepares the body for rest. What do studies show? A 2016 study in phytomedicine showed that older adults who drank chamomile tea twice daily experienced significantly better sleep quality compared to those who did not. Participants reported falling asleep faster and waking up less frequently during the night. How should seniors use chamomile tea for sleep? Drink a warm cup 30 to 45 minutes before bedtime. Avoid adding too much sugar or honey, which may disrupt blood sugar overnight. Choose high-quality organic chamomile tea for the best effects. Can chamomile tea replace sleep medications? While chamomile is not as strong as prescription sedatives, it is a safe, natural option for seniors who want to reduce reliance on sleeping pills. It can also be used alongside medical treatments with a doctor's approval. Practical sleep tips to combine with these foods. While almonds, kiwi, and chamomile tea can significantly improve sleep, they work best when combined with healthy sleep habits. Here are additional strategies I recommend to my patients. Maintain a consistent sleep schedule. Go to bed and wake up at the same time daily. Limit caffeine and alcohol. Both disrupt deep sleep and worsen insomnia. Create a calming bedtime routine, reading, listening to soft music, or light stretching. Keep your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet. Environment strongly affects sleep. Avoid heavy meals close to bedtime. Choose light, sleep-friendly snacks like almonds or kiwi. Final thoughts. After 50 years of helping older adults manage their health, I have seen firsthand the frustration caused by insomnia. The inability to sleep deeply affects every aspect of life, from memory and mood to heart health and mobility. The encouraging news is that simple dietary choices can make a real difference. Almonds supply magnesium and melatonin, kiwi boosts serotonin and melatonin, and chamomile tea provides calming compounds that relax the brain. Together, these three foods form a natural, science-backed approach to reducing insomnia and restoring restful sleep. If you are tired of restless nights, consider adding these foods into your evening routine. Sometimes the most powerful medicine is found not in a pill, but in the natural foods we eat every day. Stay consistent, be patient, and your body will thank you with more peaceful nights and brighter mornings. If you found this video helpful, please remember to hit the like button. It really helps us bring you more valuable content. Drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts, questions, or what topic you'd like us to cover next. We love hearing from you. Of course, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you can never miss out on our latest health tips and insights. Stay informed, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.